My name is Arya. I'm the coordinator here in Green Lion, so helping the volunteers to for the project, for the program they have. So the introduction weeks, it's 1 week, which is 5 days, Monday to Friday. So introduction is all about to introduce our Bali culture and what we have here. There's ceremonies going on and the local life, and we even doing like local cooking class that we cook some local foods, and also we show them like how to make flower offering as well and the meaning of it. And yeah, we also go to Tempel one day for the introduction week. That's one of the most exciting to do. So the volunteers, after the first week of the introduction week, the volunteers will go to the program they've chosen. So they might choose teaching program, so they will go to teach the kids at a primary school as extra lessons for the kids, like to teach maybe about English. And there is also a program about healthcare and environment program as well. So to show them like the environment, to show them care about the environment, of course. School system or education system is not the same level as in Europe level. Like we still lack of education in here, so that's why that's really necessary to teach the kids. And also English, as in here is in Bali, it's a tourism place. It's really good for the people, especially the young kids, start learning English from the basic. And yeah, that's what they do. So they teach the kids from the beginning and show more care, and also the way how they did it's more like 50% fun, 50% learning, like that. So the kids would love to learn and to encourage them to learn more in the future about English or healthcare and environment as well. Yeah, there's also construction program, like they can choose like in construction, they do what we tell them. So like we're gonna coordinate them. We are as coordinator, we're gonna coordinate them. And in construction, we also have a local worker that will show us how to do this, how to do that. Because in Bali or Indonesia has different system like of construction work than like in Europe. So of course, because the system different, and then that's why like, you know, the local worker can show us what we do here in local or Indonesian way to do the work at the construction. And we show them plastering, and yeah, it's a really nice experience. Like to accommodate the volunteers, so we also provide the building, like the room as well, and the beds and the bathroom and all the facilities. We try to provide as good as we can, as best as we can. Such as in the room, there will be not only like one person in the room, so we provide them a bunk bed. So in the room could be 6, could be 4, 5 people, so it depends. When they have free time after the project, or like they have some spare time, couple hours, for example, if they want to chill, we also provide a swimming pool for them just to relax. And also beside of the swimming pool, there's also a bar that they can get some juice or like some ice cream as well. We try to organize something that's good for them just to relax and chill during their spare time. And also we have like a living room that we provide also TV, television, and also DVD players, some CDs as well, what they can watch like during the night time. They can chill and watch some movies, maybe like that. So we are here coordinator, like we try to provide like things that they might need, but sometimes we don't know what they need else. Like all the time we try to improve our facilities, our program, our service. mostly. The money goes first, it's of course to the projects that they are doing, like about the first project, so like the material that they use, for example, teaching, so they will need some coloring pencils, some papers, or some other board markers, for example, things like that. And also there is food, so we also provide food here. The money goes to the food as well, provide them food, and also there is a transportation to go to each project, maybe go to a school project or construction, whoever, so transportation as well. Also some other facilities, like we also keep some of those, like some percent of those money to have like other facilities, like maybe we're gonna build another kindergarten for like free kindergarten for the local villagers, for the local kids that cannot afford to go to the kindergarten. So it's just like as we have right now, we have one kindergarten for free for the kids around here, and another one is coming. So that's what we use the money for. That's really useful for the community and for the people around. So.
AIFS, Educational Travel.